We've got the Wolfbox air duster. This is one of the most powerful air dusters out there. Then we've got the COLORCORAL dust cleaner, or cleaner goobers. That's what I call it. And guess what? We have a fairly dusty keyboard, if I do say so myself. So let's have a look at the GHJKL. We're going to see what the Wolfbox can do on the top speed. And while it does do a pretty good job with the bigger specs, it is still very, very dusty. So let's try these goobers out. This is very slimy. So you get it into a ball, press down on the keys, pressing down on the keys, pressing down on the keys. Ooh, it made a picture of the stuff. And oh, look at that. That is different. That is different. That is less dusty. Okay, let's try it out here. Oh, look at that cue. That's kind of a nasty cue. Let's see what it does on the cue. I'm going to press it a little bit longer this time. Really trying to get it in between all the way. All right, here we go. Let's take that off. Whoa. Okay, the cue is still a bit dirty. That just needs to be cleaned off. But man, yeah, that took the dust right out of that. COLORCORAL sent this to me so I could test it out and make this video. The reality is, if you want the cleanest keyboard possible, what I suggest you do is get an air duster like this, blow off all the big dust, kind of get underneath the keys or whatever. Then use some boring glass cleaner, just clean things off as best you can. Use the air duster again just to dry things off. And then finally finish it up with this slime goober duster cleaner, universal dust cleaner stuff. The reality is this can basically do it all, but the more you use this, the more dust it consumes. So I recommend cleaning things off as best you can before you use this. Obviously, the main reason you want this is just to kind of get in between cracks. So keyboards or remote controls with buttons or electronics with knobs on them. This is amazing for that because it kind of goes around everything. It gets into all the crevices and it pulls all the dust out. Now, it's recommended that after you open this, that you don't really use it beyond 3 months. It starts not working as well. So these are one of those things that you want to have on hand. And then when things are just too dusty, go ahead, clean things up, use this for finishing touches, hard detailing. This stuff is impressive.